These labs, these fur farms, these factory farms, these stores, they weren't built for any other purpose than to kill animals and to market oppression and to profit from the misery of animals and to profit from the exploitation of the earth. And so in that way, there's no purpose for that building on this planet. This is a crude incendiary device. It is a simple plastic jug, which you fill with gasoline and oil. You put in a sponge, which is soaked also with flammable liquid, and I couldn't find an incense stick, but this represents that. You put the incense stick in here, you light it, you place it. Underneath the weapon of mass destruction, you light the incense stick, sandalwood works nice, and you destroy the profits that are brought about through animal and earth abuse. That's about $2. There's no place for it in what it does. So the only thing properly that we could